Hello everyone, I'm back with another helpful video about how to make a business successful for sure. There are 10 points that will make your business successful for sure. Before starting the discussion, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notifications of the upcoming helpful videos. And also watch my video on why businesses fail. This can be also helpful for you. Link is given in description or card on the right hand side of my video. So let's start the discussion. Number 10 is location choosing. The business that you are going to start depends upon the location. Do it suits with the location where you are going to start that business. Another angle for the location is that start your business outlet or shop or franchise on such a location where maximum people used to come, or there should be a lot of rush all the time because people try to find a single location for all the solutions. Number 9, customer research. Find out your customers. Who are your customers? What they need, what kind of service or product they need, how much easiness they need, how will they prefer to shop, do they like the way you are selling, are they comfortable? Find out all the answers, then select a way of your business. Number 8, business plan. Business plan is so important. You should have decided all the steps and ways for your business. Before you start your business, you should have all the goals in front, your steps and your plans and everything about your business. Number 7, market research. Find a suitable wholesale market to buy products or raw material for your business. Do not go to the other cities, try to find wholesalers in your own city. Going to other city will consume high fare, your time and your health. For the first 3 to 4 months, for the sake of experience, don't leave your local market, be in touch with it. Number 6, product backup plan. No doubt many products have expiry date, so make sure to have a product backup plan. So if your products are about to expire, sell them. To sell them immediately, you should have some buyers in row. Selling them on same rate as you buy is also beneficial because after expiry they will have zero value. Number 5, investment estimation. To run the business properly, keep minimum 25% plus your estimation for the safe side because there can be many other hidden expenses. Number 4, field experts. If you are expert for your business, that's good. If you're not, you must be in touch with the experts. So at any time if you need to take any decision, you must consult them and take a mutual decision. Number 3, shop or office design. Create a unique design and color for your business which can attract the customers, and whenever they see such design and color, it should click them about your brand. Number 2, make proper agreements. If you are in partnership, make clear and proper agreements, or even if you are alone, make proper agreements with the employees and the property owner if your office or shop is on rent. Number 1, bookkeeping. To track your investments, to know condition of your business, whether you are doing in profit, whether you are going in profit or loss or break even, bookkeeping is most important. Keep the records so you can know the problems and mistakes if there are. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also comment if you need any other help or if you want to suggest anything more. And also watch my video on why businesses fail. This can be also helpful for you. Link is given in description or card on the right hand side of my video. And please do share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.